What you reading, Dad?
Oh, I'm looking over some questions I wrote down to ask the doctor.
Oh, questions?
Yeah, Wes, asking the doctor questions helps us keep you healthy, and writing them down means I won't forget to ask them.
Good plan, Dad. So what are you going to ask?
Well, I'm going to ask the doctor, how much water should Wes be drinking every day, and how many fruits and vegetables should he be eating?
Oh, can I ask the doctor questions too?
Well, of course. Doctors are here to answer the questions you have to help keep you healthy. What questions do you have?
How about, can I eat as many cookies as Cookie Monster?
Well, that's a good question. I think the doctor may tell you that cookies are a sometimes food. Even Cookie Monster has to remember that.
Right. Okay. Now I have a very important question for you.
Oh, okay.
After my wellness visit, can we go to the park?
Oh, now that is a really great question. The answer is absolutely.
Yay! Playing in the park is a really fun way to exercise, right, Dad?
That's right, Wes. Wow, you're great at asking questions.
Thanks. I learned from the best.
Asking questions during the doctor's visit is important, especially if you have concerns about your child's health. And it really helps to write your questions down beforehand so you don't forget them.